Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel day 26. How to improve a communication skill with a English log, right? So today I not properly work from my habit build. Okay, and that is the change of the small habit and build a new revolution. Okay, and first one priority is the build a confidence for myself, not anyone so of your my side. Why? Because I am alone in my life. Not everyone person enter for my as personal life. So that is the difference between you and your society. But I'm not insure of your my life without any one person for any types of fight. So first one, you look your eye, and after you watch a mirror and you change your life definitely. But you are not a properly follow your habit, not follow a tracker. That is the loophole of your presentation, loophole of your body work. That is the down all of a confidence. So not a justify for yourself without your ambition. That is the differently change of thoughts, not down your personal diary. So work hard but smart. That is the simple and reality of uh, your life and my life experience. So you cannot speak in English just now. You shoot a video after upload, not editing, not anyone ads in your time. That is the change one day. Eye contact, confidence, body language, face expression. That is the importance of your life. And start your new era. Okay, simple and sweet content are available in YouTube, but not any one person are to concessions. That is the different successor and failure life. So I'm not any types of rumors and believe it, but change of my aura, my perspective, my lifetime. So I am a new journey start, specifically new journey start. Why? Because I break heart of your my life. So I change your my habit. Thank you so much. Day 26 of your my life. I shoot a video, a new beginning of the new era of your my life. Thank you so much, dear.